So the files gadget in the Easynote dashboard is the one that will give you overview of all your files attached across all projects. So you will have a nice summary of all your attachments and documents in one single place from all projects. So if we start by, we add one of these gadgets, and what we get is a nice overview of the latest uploaded files in these selected projects that I have, and the amount of storage that I have been using in my team, or the team I'm currently in. So this is the overview, and what I can do is I can go in each individual project and I can see latest uploaded files and also all the uploaded files in this particular project. And I can see when it's being uploaded, by who, and what task, and what's the actual size of the file. And same thing here, I can go in here and I can then go in and see what are the actual attachments and documents in this particular project. This way, I'm getting an overview of all the attachments and I can just click and download them directly and use them. So this is the files gadget, and it's super useful if you need to get just overview of all the documents that you have across all projects. So make sure to go to easynote.com and start using it. See you. Bye-bye.